What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be doing a bike check, and
at the end we're gonna announce a sticker giveaway, so stay tuned for that.
let's go.
So this is my Rocky Mountain Thunderbolt Carbon 70. So let's start with the wheels. Here we have race face arc rims. Then in the front I got a Maxxis Minion DHR2, and in the back I got a Onza Ibex. Then let's move on to the brakes. These are the Shimano XT with 180mm rotors, and that's it for the wheels, I think. Let's move on to the suspension. In the front I have a Fox 34 Performance Elite with 130mm of travel, and in the back we have a Fox DPS Float, also Performance Elite with I think 130mm too. Then let's go up to the bar. I have a Race Face Next carbon bar. I think it's 800mm wide. Yeah. And then I have Race Face grips. And let's move on to the shifting. I have a SRAM GX Eagle shifting group set. So it has a GX shifter in the front, a GX derailleur, a GX cassette, 12 speed, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. I have Truitive cranks and Race Face pedals. And the bonus is the Fox Transfer dropper post with the WTB saddle.
Hey guys, this is my Rocky Mountain Reaper by 26-inch wheels, and front suspension is RockShox and the back suspension is RockShox Monarch. Shimano brakes and Shimano shifting system. And these are the Race Face cranks and pedals.
So yeah, that's the 2020 Inspired Flow Plus, yeah, the frame, and yeah, the brakes are the Magura MT7 with the HD3 levers. The tires are the Maxxis, I don't know which Maxxis, but Maxxis tires. The rims are Inspired rims. Yeah. And that are the Creative bars and grip from Inspired. So the chain is a KMC chain, and the pedals are the normal Triltech pedals. Yeah, that was my process.
So here we have two nearly identical downhill bikes. They're full alloy and they're made from bulls, and it's the Wild Core model. Yeah, they have the full 200mm of travel and 27.5-inch wheels.
Yeah, dude, the rims that are the Spank rims, and the Onza Ibex tires in front and in the back. So yeah, that's it.
We run the whole system with a tube, so not tubeless, unfortunately. Then let's go to the brakes. These are the Shimano Z brakes with 200mm rotors and 4 piston calipers in the front and in the rear. Then the shifting system, we have a Z shifter, then a SLX derailleur, a 10-speed cassette, I think it's SLX2. Yeah, and as you can see, the chain goes up here. It's just that you can throw around the bike a bit better. Yeah.
Yeah, the fork is the RockShox Boxer, and as he said, yeah, with 200mm travel. And back the coil is the RockShox Woo-It, also with 200mm travel.
Yeah, and also the fork is coil as well, so I don't know if I think it's nice, but yeah. I mean, it works, so nice. Then the cranks are Shimano Z. We have a then we have Welgo pedals. My saddle is from Bulls, but he has the new Ergen downhill saddle. I have it too, but I didn't put it on yet. Then the grips, he has DMR Death grips with the flange. I have them too, but as well I didn't put them on yet. The handlebars are, at my bike, those are Pro Taper. They're 810mm wide, and he has a Spank handlebar, I think 800mm wide. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Those are the stickers you can win. All you have to do is hit that link in the description to the Instagram channel, and we will explain you there what you have to do to win all these stickers. Wanted to announce a little time ago is that we thought that Nice Boys is just not a name for a biker's YouTube channel, so we decided to call it Full Send TV, and I also hope you like this name. And we're gonna change this name soon on our YouTube channel, but also on our Instagram accounts. Had finished the bike checks, we went to Brenton's house, did a few jumps on the Hopper Light, and also went into the lake. Yeah, I think we're finished now, and so goodbye, and I hope I see you soon.
Yeah, thank you for your support, and yeah, goodbye.